Thanks for stopping by, Amir. Alright, you too, Iman. Thanks for stopping by. You know, the famous cave that they recently found was where all the couples were getting married in? Yeah. Yeah, I've never heard of that cave. We need to eat faster and get to the sleazy cave. I'm trying. Alright.
请174号顾客取餐。
God damn, that's loud. How come my TTS doesn't work like that? Don't chew, just swallow? Okay.
"让我们机长庆祝一下。"
What about did you use did you use Google Translate? Is that clapping? No? Oh wait, no to Google Translate? My tongue is numb because of the spice. Oh, that's the closest thing to high five. Gotcha. Yeah, see, those words I don't really know, but now I do. Ow. How is the sun still up? It's 7.
180。你看，早上来都7点了。
Okay, wow, it just looks totally different from what I was. Yeah, it's dude, from 28 years ago. I guess these were all built recently then, huh? How likely do you think it'd be to find someone who speaks English in this city? Pre-COVID, probably pretty easily if I go to like the Hongya Cave, the bar area. But now during COVID, I doubt it'll be that easy. Probably most of the foreigners have left. How's the smells? Smells like a city. Like no bad smell. Just yeah, it's definitely not the industrial waste smell. Is China a good place to vacation once COVID is over? Yeah, I say it's probably one of the most unexplored places. So if you're into that, thanks for the follow, my boyfriend. Yeah, especially the western part of China, where all the mountains and natures is. It's definitely one of the prettiest places you can visit. All the places I'm gonna go to, you guys can come after COVID. Where's girlfriend? Yeah, you tell me, my boyfriend. Especially like yeah, Tibet. I think it's a cool place to visit. Xinjiang is a cool place to visit. But I know most foreigners will also, they always arrive in Beijing and Shanghai, right? So you could check out, the Great Walls. But after that, I would suggest like going more west or inland, and that's where all the real beauty is. She just went past you. But yeah, man, why is the sun up? Talk to her? I don't want to bother people. You walk past her, man. I know who you're talking about.